Oh, hold on. Who's asking me yesterday with the blossom gel? Okay, I'm gonna do the one of blossom gel today. Yeah. Okay, cue for 30 seconds, everyone. I will find some of the. Can I get the box here? In a minute. I think I'll say I'm gonna do a blossom gel. I'm gonna using some color theme like this to using with the blossom gels. Great. Here's a beautiful box. And what's my foil? No, the single pack foil. Where do you put it? Oh, I'm gonna open this. I think I do have some of this, like somewhere. I might forget it somewhere. But no problem. We can always have the on the side. I'm gonna get this one. My nails. Like it's just doing it like this. It reminds me of Sarah. She said she had only what 6 inches, Sarah. I said I feel that, Sarah. It's fun, but we have so much fun, so we don't care. All right, so I'm just cut. Then you can cut any parts of you would like to, and just place on. Give it a good press, firm thing. You got it good. There you go.
Cute.
Super cute, yeah. And it transfer everything right here. Great. So now I am gonna using again my.
You know what? Actually, that looks really fun. That foil on it.
That's what, yeah. That's why it looks cool. Thank you. It's really fun to doing it with this. It's like the earth colors. So I'm using a transfer foil again in cap. Like on around the edges to make it like I don't know what is you call it. Frame. I don't know. Like all of a sudden I can't think of it. Does anyone think of it? Like it's not in my mind right now because I'm focused on this, and then in a minute.
She's gonna do silver or gold. Right?
We do gold, silver. Let us know gold because it's gonna be the same theme with what we're doing right now.
Or maybe like you have earthy, you have something green.
No, we don't have a green on here, so don't even talk about that. Just kidding. I'm not that bossy. Everyone, I'm nice.
Yeah, she's like the nicest person ever.
Kia for 30 seconds, everyone. You don't need to hold 60 seconds. But if you're using a white I-Ho transfer foil bottle, which is right here, then you kia for 60 seconds. The foil set. What's the worst question? The foil set, I think, is number 10. I think, do we have a number 10 in there?
You want to do that? Number 10?
I think it's number 10, Sarah. There's one in the pack, but it's so full pack of it. And you know, I don't know if you remember, we always have it in the shows when we're going to the shows. And sometimes we didn't get chance to demonstrations. Like we have so many different, I think, products. So that's why we couldn't get it. It's like
paint transfer and glitter polish. What is that? Where's my Gemma? Is that the CNA polish? Was that?
The pink transparent glitter polish.
Maybe.
You put over the top.
What's that?
The top. Oh, the pink. I see what I mean. Gemma, I will show you. This is CND Creative Place. I think. No, that's one right there. No,
This?
the next one.
That?
Yep. Let me check it just a second. I'll make sure it's the right one.
Cool. Now bottom?
A little bit.
This one? You got like golden dust running around.
It's kind of cool though. I'm not worried about if it has some residue because I want to do it. Like if it does like that, it looks great.
And that looks fun. So like in the cave where you break it open, like a part of the nail got broken and you see all the earth and go underneath.
Okay, good. His creation, like his imagination, whatever.
It's like when you crack an egg open and you see all the stuff inside.
And however, like I know that you all can come up with something really cool as well. So what, should we just leave it alone like that? Put some Diamond Dust Pixie.
Oh, you know what? Yes.
Like this one,
On the top corner.
right here,
Yeah, right on the top corner.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
No. I'm gonna put the no wipe top. I'm gonna do a condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat. Before that, I'm gonna show if I get the right one. Yes. So this is the colors. Gemma, just your question is laughs my ass off.
Really?
Yeah.
It is.
It
Actually.
is.
It's
I didn't mean anything. It is. Just to let you know.
That color is.
It's really beautiful. Like it's transparent. It's sheer.
Ooh.
Look. It's really cool though.
It's an hour.
Sorry, Instagram.
Give it a quick second.
It's sharing it right now.
It does.
Just don't touch it. Okay, okay.
Yeah. So we don't have the option to.
No,
Do
they
that
don't have
one.
an option for that.
Oh yeah. Say hi.
Hello, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning back in. Sorry, Instagram. It was all ladies in Instagram. It was out. Hi, Tammy. You back again? I am going to apply the condensed glue gel. It's really thick density, but do not afraid of to blend it really nicely, because it's actually will blend really nice. It feels like a thick, but it's nothing wrong with it. It's like supposed to be like that to holding all the crystals, charm chains from flatback 3Ds. I was thinking butterflies will look cute on that.
There you go.
What should I do with this? Just Diamond Dust Pixies. Looks so beautiful. And then no wipe top coat. That's gonna be on the top of the Unclear Condensed Glue Gel. Hello ladies, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning back in. We notice us every single live video will go more than an hour. You know, we can always like really trim it back to 1 or 2 nails, but we have so much we would like to share. So that's why we just want to call back instead of just say bye to everyone so you can learn as much as possible. So now no white top coat on the top. I am going to using a number 9, I believe is Diamond Dust Pixie collection. We have so many different collections, and I'm trying to put the numbers, like Sarah did the numbers on it, and it's really good and smart though, because in that way you can really
Put the nail on.
keep the.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm gonna using this.
Oh. I thought it was gonna spray.
No, pour it all over. Then it's gonna take all over from. I'm gonna do it just right along with the veins right here. You don't have to. I think it looks so gorgeous already. But if you want some like effects here and texture, I think it looks stunning too.
Well, not much at your hand. Your hand is fine. I think it's just gonna move the chart yet, so people can read comment.
Looks good.
Yeah, that came out real nice.
Great. Do you want neon on it? No neon? Leave it alone. Everyone like it? Do you want me to add anything else on?
You know what? It's probably irrelevant, but that looked like a bacon strip for some reason.
It's not. No crystals? Sarah?
No neon.
No neon. Okay, leave it alone. Okay. Okay, you ladies authorize it and I'll leave it alone. Or else if you blink your eyes, it's gonna turn out like all neons. And then, what are you doing, Nancy? I said, I was trying to get some neon on it. All right, so I'm gonna leave it alone and keep it for 60 seconds.
Yeah, everybody say no.
No? Okay, no. You know, is this, what do you call it? Like, it's not less is more anymore. Like when you get addicted to all the crystal obsessions and then you keep adding it on more and more. So I'm gonna pour this one back in.
Yes, I did say bacon strip.
Who say the bacon strip? Who say that? Hugh, don't be mean to us. We're doing create the beautiful nails.
You know, like it'll have bacon strip when you just finish. It's crunchy and it's glowing like that.
Okay, he must be hungry.
I think everybody else did.
This money bag said he must be hungry. You know, I know it's like when we pay attention, a lot of us just really obsessed. It's like at first when I start playing with crystal placements and then Diamond Dust Pixie, it's only like allow me to do this. Oh, the other color, no, I don't care for it. My clients will never ask. But we start doing a lot of cool art with this. The clients love this look. Doesn't matter, you can create this. Like now we did it in like a, look at a theme kind of like have earth colors. You think it's gonna be only for fall, but no, it's gonna be all summers because we can add a lot of different cool designs on it.
Hey ladies, that's your bacon strip again.
Bacon strip again. Okay, whatever. Let's say it. I'm gonna using our crystal bestie Diamond Dust Pixie. It feels really cool though. It seals and everything, but then I'm always trying to doing it, make sure I catch all of the cracks and the gap between. So that's way they can seal all that Diamond Dust Pixie.
The internet is a bit bad on Facebook, so.
Sorry, Facebook. Some on and off on the Facebook. It feels weird because the screen it looks clear and then it's go away and then clear again. So I'm gonna keep it for 60 seconds and this now will be done.